Hi my loves, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my Instagram baddie makeup. This is the exact makeup look which you guys see 99% of the time in my IG photos. So I'm going to teach you the exact routine I've been doing for years. But before we get into this, let's start with a bare face. You know, it's so crazy. If you asked me this time last year to get on camera with no makeup, no filter, I literally would have run away and thought you were absolutely insane, probably because I was bullied so heavily last time I came online with no makeup a few years back. So I'm actually proud to be able to confidently sit here today, bare face and all. But anyways, that was the e.l.f. primer I just applied. All products will be listed below. Now moving on to the brows with Maybelline Builder Brow Pen. It's double-sided. I'm using the side with the gel to slick my hairs to keep them in place, which it does a good job of that. I'm carving the brows out with a matte concealer, basically just following the shape of my brow. A lot of people ask me where I got this product because M.A.C doesn't even sell concealer in pots no more. Truth is, I've had this for years and I kind of forgot about it but started using it again because M.A.C is truly an OG in the makeup game, which I feel like I kind of forgot how good they were once all these new Sephora and Mecca brands kept coming out. Don't mind me, I thought I saw a bug, and you know the weather is warming up in Australia, which means all the absolute weirdo bugs are coming out. You see this little trick I do? I make my concealer meet in the middle. This is my way of ensuring that the brows are even. You can do this for the top too. Now I'm just filling in any little sparse areas with tiny strokes. This brow pen is literally the thinnest brow pen I've seen in my life. I don't know why no one's talking about it. The tip is so fine that with a light hand, you can pretty much mimic the same thinness of actual hair. Now for the base, I mix Glow Recipe with the Maybelline Matte Foundation. I know what you're thinking. What is the point of mixing a product to make you glow with a product to make you matte? Firstly, when it comes to foundation, I have never found my exact shade in the 10 years I've been wearing it because I have an olive undertone, which most brands focus on yellow or pink. Until I found this foundation, like it's literally my exact skin color in a bottle. I can't believe it's even drugstore. Secondly, these two products together is just a match made in heaven for me. I have combination skin, so it keeps the oiliness at bay but gives a nice glow instead of an oily one, if that makes sense. It's like I'm glowing from within instead of oiliness just sitting on top. You can see I avoid putting foundation under my eyes to avoid caking and creasing. So now we're going to do that with some actual concealer. I put this one by Revolution to highlight where I need highlighted. Then I go in with this Too Faced concealer that's about 2 shades lighter than me everywhere else that needs it. Keeping in mind that light colors are going to highlight and push your features forward. We can blend all that in. You'll notice I don't focus too much on blending this at first. I'll probably do about 80% of a blend and finish the rest when it's almost time to set. But trust the process. I don't leave it like this, I promise. You want to make sure you're tapping and not swiping in order to keep that concealer in those specific places. Also, not to disrupt the foundation we have underneath some of it as well. This is my favorite part. This is the contour stick by Makeup by Mario, which is a brand by Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. Fun fact if you didn't know. We're going to put that in all the places we want to create shadow or definition. Do you see how I'm filling in all that light under my jaw? I know my double chin. Hate to see my contour stick coming. Now, let's blend everything upwards. You always want to blend up. And again, please no dragging. Just tap up type of motions to give you that snatched facelift effect and to keep the product exactly where we placed it. Except, of course, for the jaw. That's the one place you can swipe because I don't know. I don't make the rules. I just know what works, okay? Now, this is the leftover concealer on a brush to further define the new cheekbones we just created, and I'm blending it out. If you want to catfish your nose, let me tell you, this is the way to do it. One line on the right, one line on the left, and then you want to take it up to the inner brow and blend away. That is it. We want this to look like a shadow, not literally 2 lines on a nose, okay? I'm laughing because my Nudestix cream blush looks so busted. But anyway, I'm applying this to the highest points of my cheek, focusing on this area because, again, we want to lift the face up. I don't know what I was jamming to, but music is the only way I'll hurry up and get my makeup done without distractions, especially if I listen to fast songs. But I must have lost my mind here for a second. You guys, my heart nearly dropped because this is what I was imagining would happen when I dropped this makeup, but it didn't. This is my cream to powder foundation. Now, I have no idea what that means because it's definitely a cream, but like, does it set like a powder? Does it give a powdered look? I don't know, but I use it as my bronzer. Yes, there's a difference between your bronzer color and your contour color. In case you didn't know, bronzing is to add the type of tan look that you would naturally get from the sun, while contouring is to create a shadow kind of definition situation. I'm not gonna lie, I actually wanted to gatekeep this product because everyone is stuck on the original Mercier setting powder, but this one in the ultra blurring formula is actual insanity. It should be illegal. That's how good it is. Hold on, someone's son must have texted me here and gave me the ick and reminded me why I'm single. But anyway, this powder does what it says. It blurs your skin, any texture, and your pores are definitely minimized. I did not get oily or need to touch up with this powder. Going back to the eyes, I don't even bother with eyeshadow, to tell you the truth. I just put any brown powder in my crease and call it a day because I'm not really a big eyeshadow girly, as well as it's kind of hard to do because I have lash extensions and most times I'm rushing. This is my intrusive thoughts. I don't know why I felt like a rabbit or something. I don't know. I'm a little strange. Taking a big brush to remove all that setting powder off the lower half of my face. And then for the top part, which is more delicate, I use a smaller and lighter brush. Setting powder can take away some color from your face, so now I'm just warming the skin back up with my M.A.C mineralized skin finish as my bronzer, which I have been using for years now and absolutely love. It's not matte or glittery, it's just a perfect satin finish. Now I'm taking my Dior Backstage blush, again applying it to the highest points of my cheek and to set exactly where we put the cream before. Look, I do have a little blush blindness, but I love my blush. What can I say? It's never enough blush, okay? This is a Huda Beauty Golden Sand highlighter palette, and I use the pink highlighter because I feel it goes well above the pink blush. And look how beautiful the glow is. It's like chef's kiss. I do both cheekbones until I'm happy. This is again a more satin finish. I apply some to my chin. I take a brighter color for the bridge of my nose, the inner corner of my eye, and the brow bone. Also, I can make them pop when the light reflects off my face, just like this. Another Makeup by Mario product. This is the best neutral eyeshadow palette I've ever found. I'm just gonna take a brown and put that under my eye. And the Maybelline Falsies mascara just on my lower lashes only, of course. I already have lash extensions. I'm really anal about not getting mascara anywhere on the skin under the eye, just on the hairs itself. Next, I'm taking a NYX brow pen to highlight my freckles. I hate that foundation covers them, so I bring them back by going over them with a pen. Lips truly just bring everything together, I feel like. This is the Rimmel lip liner. Now, I line inside my lip lines because I have naturally big lips anyway, but if you don't, you could definitely line outside your lips to create the illusion of enlarged lips. I'm taking the Morphe liquid lipstick to kind of blend the edges of the lip liner and the Huda Beauty Power Bullet to add some brightness just in the center. And And lastly, it's time to set everything with the Urban Decay setting spray. And I am laughing because I'm not even spraying it. I said, you know what, let me stop being fake and show them how I actually do it to avoid my freshly straightened natural hair from getting curly. It's not cute, this beanie, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Tricks of the trade, baby. This is me actually spraying it. I've been using this spray for years too. And I really feel this spray in the ultra matte version helps me not get oily or need any touch-ups throughout the night at all. And that is the finished look. This is the exact makeup I use for all my Instagram photos, videos, everything photography. It's the same thing every single time. I could literally do it with my eyes closed. I've perfected it, I think, in my opinion. It photographs really well, no flashback, nothing looks harsh, and to me, it's not too much. It's like a clean girl look, but full coverage. This is my first ever makeup tutorial, so if you enjoyed this, please leave me a comment and let me know, as well as subscribing. Love you guys, bye!